Live from Southwest Florida, you're watching Fox 4 News at 6.
Thank you for keeping it here with Fox 4 News at 6. I'm Chris Earl.
And I'm Nadine Yanis. Florida lawmakers are pushing now to make it easier to get the death penalty here in the Sunshine State.
Yesterday, a Senate committee passed a bill that would make child rapists eligible for death row. But critics are already warning this bill is unconstitutional.
Fox 4 Investigates' Ryan Kruger joining us live now with the details. And Ryan, the Supreme Court has actually already ruled on this.
Yeah, that's right. That was back in 2008. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that states cannot impose the death penalty on a child rape case if the child was not killed in the process. One supporter of the Florida bill says her pain will never go away.
It never goes away. Sometimes you close your eyes and you see it. I don't get a chance to make it stop.
An impassioned speech in the Senate Rules Committee this week. Senate Minority Leader Lauren Book, a survivor of child sexual assault, joining other lawmakers in voting to make the rape of a child eligible for death row.
No amount of prison time is going to make that better for anyone.
I, too, was a victim of child sexual battery.
Aaron Waite, with the Florida Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, says the desire to put a child rapist to death is vengeance, not justice.
While it's not the vengeance we all want, it's the justice that the Constitution demands.
Speaking of the Constitution, experts believe the bill would likely be overturned quickly. That's because the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in 2008 that a child rapist can't be executed unless the child dies. Maria Di Liberato, executive director of Floridians for Alternatives to the Death Penalty, told me over the phone that the bill would automatically trigger a court case.
This law, that if it passes, will have to be found unconstitutional by our own Florida Supreme Court, whether they want to or not.
And Di Liberato tells me the only way a child rapist would be put on death row in Florida is if the case ultimately goes all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Now keep in mind, the court today obviously much more conservative than it was in 2008 when they originally ruled. Ryan Kruger, Fox 4 Investigates.